Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning in. Let's learn, build, and shape a better cloud for the future. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Perfect. Let's dive in. So in this video, let's learn how to deploy or install an Apache server on Ubuntu EC2 instance. Okay, so to do that, just click on EC2, and then in this case, actually, I'm going to deploy an instance in the public subnet. Okay, right. So you can either do it in a private subnet, but ensure that the private subnet has access to the internet through NAT gateway, right? So in this case, I'm just going to click on instances, then launch an instance. Okay. All right. So after clicking the launch instance, then it's very, very important that you name your server. Let's just say test Apache server. Okay. Right. Then you're going to choose Ubuntu as per now as our AMI. Okay. All right. That's our operating system. And then provided that we're using free tier, we're going to leave that as default, right? Free tier, we're going to use T micro instance type, right? Then we already created a key. If you didn't generate a key, just click this one and generate a key, all right? Okay, so I'm going to just choose the key that I generated. And also the most important part is network settings, okay? Click on network settings and ensure you choose the correct VPC. I already created a VPC with both private and public subnet. If you didn't create a VPC, you can always go by the default VPC, okay? All right. So in this case, no problem. Let me just choose default VPC, but as I mentioned, I already created a VPC with both private and public subnet, okay? All right. So let me just go for default VPC in this case, all right? So let me just choose any availability zone. You can choose any. So for example, let me just choose the first one, okay? East 1A. Perfect. Then auto-assign public IP address. Because we say that we're going to enable this instance to access the internet. So we need to assign public IP address, right? Okay. And then select existing security group. And okay, let's go by default. Let's go by the default security group, although we're going to check it again. Okay, right. So I think that's all. That's all passed for now. Right. So you just need to modify the changes that we just highlighted. Perfect. Then go ahead and launch the instance. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do, I just want to go to the security group because I don't know the content actually. I just want to go to the security group and ensure it can allow us to access the instance through SSH or other protocol. Okay, right. So here it is. Just click on it. Okay. Then inbound rule. Go to edit. Okay. So in this case, I'm going to allow all traffic for everyone, okay, as inbound rule. Let's just delete it first. So I'm just going to allow all traffic, actually, all traffic for everyone for testing purposes, okay, and then save, right? Okay, so the inbound rule allows all traffic for everyone, outbound rule as well, but it's actually recommended that you customize your security group rules, okay? This is just for testing purposes. So I go back to instances, right? Then this is the instance that we just created. Now let's get inside. Just connect. And there are four ways you can do. EC2 instance connect, session manager, SSH client, as well as EC2 serial console. So in this case, I'm gonna go with EC2 instance connect. I'm just gonna click connect. Okay. Then wait until it loads the Ubuntu terminal. Okay. All right. So let's just wait. Perfect. So here is our Ubuntu operating system. The first thing that I'm going to do is just update the system. Sudo apt update. Okay, it will take time. Okay, then let's upgrade. Sudo apt upgrade as well. Perfect. So we have updated and upgraded our Ubuntu operating system. So now let's go ahead and install Ubuntu. Install Apache server. Pretty much simple. Just write sudo apt install Apache 2. Okay, and hit enter. Perfect. So sudo systemctl status Apache 2. Let's just check whether the Apache is running or not. You can see our Apache server is running. Okay, so we are able to access our Apache login page, our website. You can just copy the public IP address of the instance. Then you go to where you are on your browser and paste it on port 80. Okay, Apache by default runs on port 80, but you can customize the port. So I'm just gonna run that one. Perfect. So you can see our Apache site is working here. Okay. All right. So basically, it normally tells you that the location of file is this one. Okay. So you can always go here. You can always go here and modify this file if you want. You can always go there and modify the file. Sudo nano that one. Okay. 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 Yep. So you see this the page that was there. Okay. So you can always try to modify this if you want. Okay. All right. So for example, I can go here, maybe inside the website, and here. Okay. So let me see. Okay, gtouch page. Okay, Control X, yes, enter. Then we need to restart Apache because we have updated this the file. So sudo systemctl restart Apache. Perfect. So if you come here and refresh the page, this one we made the changes, so this one should change. Okay, perfect. You can see. All right, thank you so much, guys. I believe you've learned how to install Apache server on Ubuntu EC2 instance. Please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share with friends. Bye, and see you again in the next video.